Spice here, and today I am coming to you guys with a video that I'm super excited about. It's a Fashion Nova haul. I have not done like any real shopping, getting like multiple items in a minute, so I participated in their Black Friday sale, and I also went to a store in my area called Love Culture. It's kind of like a Fashion Nova store pretty much. They have the same type of Fashion Nova items, like very fast fashion. So yeah, I have a couple of things from there, and then I also have some things from Fashion Nova. So it's kind of a big haul. Of course, I'm plus size. I'm about a 12 to kind of creeping back up to a 14 size. I usually wear like a large on the top. So if you are new to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe, become a member of the Spice gang. We have a lot of fun over here. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Oh, also follow me on Instagram as well if you don't already. And yeah, other than that, I'll hop into the haul because I hate when intros are too long. So the first one is actually what I have on right now, and it's like one of those very popular corset tops. And I got this in a large. I got two in this color. And I got one in the extra large just in case it was going to be too small. The large was going to be too small, but the large actually worked really well. So I got it in red, and then you'll see the other one that I got. First, Fashion Nova had a 50% off sale. So I got this top for $21.49. Something else that I got is this really cute set. And it's a two-piece set, so it's like a corset set. And the top looks like this. And I got this in an extra large. I probably could have got this in a large, but I feel like it wouldn't have fit that good on the arms. I feel like the bottoms would fit better if it was a large. And yeah, it's just the rib material, and I got it in the color gray. So this is actually really cute. I like the way that this one looks on. That I had a Fashion Nova haul and everything fixed. Y'all know Fashion Nova sizes be all over the place. The next thing I got is this pair of leather pants. I really love these pants. I feel like it would look really cute with this outfit, but I just have on leggings because of course I'm just filming. So the set was $32.50. I thought that was pretty good. And then the leather pants, I got these in an extra large. And they fit really good. Normally I do not like Fashion Nova pants. They're usually too long because I guess they feel like if you're thicker you're taller. But yeah, these ones fit really good. They're not too long. I'm really glad I got extra large instead of a large because that would have been bad. Here is the other top that I got. I just got this one in an extra large. I will say the large fits a little bit better because as you can see the arms are a little bit baggy. So yeah, I mean I like this one, but I definitely would have liked it better in a large. So that's just what this one looks like, and of course that costs the same. And then I also got a pair of shoes, and these shoes were $15. So really good, and I really like Fashion Nova shoes. They have really really cute and trendy shoes, and they're very reasonably priced and they're comfortable. So I would suggest to go a size up though, because I typically wear like a 7.5, 8. I got an 8 in these. They fit perfect, and it's just that really trendy like heel that's popping right now, and it's in a snake skin. I really love these shoes, and they're like so comfortable. So I'm very excited about these. So yeah, that's it for Fashion Nova. And then I also just got a couple of things from Love Culture that I decided to show you guys. I also ordered some stuff on Dolls Kill, but it still hasn't gotten here yet. So maybe I'll save that for another haul, but I probably just won't end up showing you guys. So as you can see, I like to buy doubles of things. So I got two pairs of pants, and it's the flare leg pants. which these look really good with like heels, and I like these because they make your butt look big. And I got a pair that's in like corduroy, and they said that they're a camel. These were originally $27.99, but I got them for 40% off. And I got these ones in a size 11, which I ain't gonna lie, the 11 is a little bit tight. Luckily I have a really good like undergarment that'll make my stomach not look so fat. But yeah, these are super cute. A nice wide leg pant, and it's like frayed at the bottom. I also got these in black, except for I got these ones in my size, so these fit perfect. And it's a size 13 in black, same style, still corduroy pants, and they're the same price. Just got this white sweater just because you really can't go wrong. Well, it's more like a cream. You can't go wrong with like a cream sweater, and it's like a crop top sweater. This was $22.99, which is a little bit taxing, but at least it was 40% off of that.
Artem, did you make this?
Got this really cute hat. I thought it was really cute with the pants because they literally like match the pants. This was $13.99, which I did not know this was that expensive. And then I got some really pretty accessories. So I just got some clips. These are like really trendy right now, and they were only $2.99. So I got these, and then I got this pretty like rose quartz one. This one was $1.99. So yeah guys, that's it for my haul. If you guys enjoyed this haul, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe on your way out, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and click this video right here. I mean, if you made it all the way to the end, you might as well as watch some more of WavySpiceTV. It was great filming this for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.